Welcome. Today, we're walking you through how to easily change the wiper blades on your Tesla Model Y. It's a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. As of 2026, the process is still straightforward, and with a few key steps, you'll have it done in no time. We'll cover everything from tools needed to the actual replacement, incorporating the latest updates for Model Y variants. Before you start, gather your tools. You'll need a soft cloth or towel, Tesla-approved wiper blades, 26-inch for the front, 14-inch for the rear, if equipped, and optionally a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the windshield. Park your Model Y on a flat surface and turn it off. For added safety, use the touchscreen to enable service mode, which disengages the wipers during replacement. Begin by gently lifting the wiper arms to a 90-degree angle. This provides safe access to the blade attachment area. Next, locate the release tab on the underside of the wiper arm where it connects to the blade. This small tab allows you to detach the blade safely. Press the release tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade off the hook. Take care to support the blade as you remove it. Finally, make a mental note of the blade's orientation. The curved end should point outward when properly installed. Now we'll install the new wiper blades. Start by aligning the new blade's hook with the slot on the wiper arm. Make sure the hook is properly positioned before proceeding. Push the blade firmly until it clicks securely into place. You should hear or feel a distinct click, indicating it's locked. Ensure the blade is properly seated to prevent wiper chatter or skipping during operation. The blade should fit snugly without any play. Finally, double-check that the blade is locked onto the hook by gently pulling to confirm it's secure. This step prevents the blade from coming loose while driving. Carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Start your Tesla Model Y and cycle the wipers to test their performance. If you notice any streaking or skipping, adjust the tension by gently bending the metal strips slightly for even pressure. Clean the windshield thoroughly after replacement to maintain sensor accuracy. If your Tesla Model Y is equipped with a rear wiper, you can replace it by accessing it from inside the trunk. The process is similar to the front wipers. First, locate the release tab on the underside of the wiper arm. Remove the old blade by sliding it off the hook. Install the new blade by aligning the hook with the arm's slot and pushing until it clicks into place securely. Finally, test the rear wiper to ensure it functions properly. Now let's cover some important tips, safety precautions, and cost considerations to ensure a successful wiper blade replacement on your Tesla Model Y. First, avoid touching the windshield directly with bare hands to prevent oil transfer, which can cause streaking and reduce visibility. Consider wearing gloves during the replacement process. Nitrile gloves provide good protection and help keep the windshield clean. Regarding costs, OEM Tesla blades typically cost $40 to $60 per pair, while aftermarket options can be found for $20 to $40. It's crucial to use Tesla-compatible blades to avoid voiding your warranty. By doing the replacement yourself, you can save $50 to $100 compared to service center costs. Finally, remember to consult your Tesla Model Y owner's manual or the Tesla app for any model-specific updates or additional instructions before starting the replacement. Thanks for watching.